I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee using a frother. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need fresh, cold milk, your preferred coffee, and a frother. Ensure your coffee is brewed and ready before you start frothing the milk. This ensures everything is hot and ready to combine for a perfect cup. Let's get started. Now let's master the frothing technique. For best results, heat your milk to between 140 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature creates the ideal texture without scalding. When using a handheld frother, submerge it just below the surface and move it gently. For a steam wand, aim for a consistent whirlpool motion to incorporate air evenly, producing smooth, velvety foam. With your milk frothed to perfection, it's time to combine it with your coffee. Gently pour the frothed milk into your prepared coffee. If you're aiming for latte art, use a spoon to hold back the foam initially, then pour the thicker foam on top. Stir in any desired sweeteners or flavorings like vanilla syrup or a sprinkle of cinnamon to customize your drink. To ensure consistent results, always use fresh, cold milk, preferably whole milk for the richest foam. If your foam isn't quite right, try adjusting the milk temperature or frothing technique. Remember to clean your frother immediately after each use to prevent milk residue buildup and maintain hygiene. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly frothed coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.